another bike going out the door here. This is one of the bikes that I bought for 25 bucks. We're selling it for, what are they paying, $70 here. So we're gonna go sell this one, and then we're gonna go buy 3 more bikes to go ahead and list and try to get those sold as well. I'm really excited about the other bikes that we're gonna sell, but this guy is already here, and we're gonna go sell this one for 70 bucks. Bought it for 25. It was in a group of bikes that we had bought. I think I spent $70, $75 in total on all 3 bikes, and I'm selling one of them for 70. So we're gonna be way up in profit here shortly, but we're gonna jump over and go sell this bike to this guy for $70. You said none of this stuff was here when you went to high school?
Oh, this was all farmland.
Some people keep telling me I'm newer to the area.
Are you?
Yeah, I was born and raised in Waukesha. We moved up here a few years back. And
okay.
I am buying a house in the valley. It is way nicer up here than it is down in Waukesha.
I took care of it pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice bike. Might need a little bit more air. I pumped it up at Quick Trip just to double check to make sure it's going to hold air.
Okay.
Watch him just take off. I was Googling PSI for bikes, and it was like something crazy high PSI. And I was like, yeah, I don't want to blow these tires up. And I'm sure it's written on the side.
50.
Yeah, 50. I thought that was so high.
I'm not even gonna drew you down or anything.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a good rest of your day.
$70. Bought that bike, like I said, for $25, and I spent $75 on 3 different bikes in that same deal, and I just sold one of them for $70. So we're already turning up a pretty good profit. Again, bikes, if you can buy them at 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and you can sit on them, buy them early enough in like February and March, and then just sit on them, and as spring comes along, people are going to want to get out and get their bikes. They're going to come on Facebook Marketplace to buy them. Walmart sells out really quick, and those are hundreds of dollars. They can buy one for 70, and they'll be super pumped about it, and you're going to turn a whatever $45, $50 profit just over and over and over again. It's the easiest way to make money. Just constantly go on Facebook Marketplace, buy bikes. We're going right now to buy 3 bikes. Hopefully they're in good condition, for $40 for 3 of them. So we're gonna see how that goes and see if we can turn a profit there as well.